This is a tutorial to make this crop top with a crisscross tie on the back. As you can see, the top has two long straps covering the bust and crossing a couple of times to form a bow on the back. It may seem a bit tricky, but it's actually really easy to make. And even if you're a beginner, you can probably finish it in a few hours. The top is inspired by this design I've seen a lot on Pinterest. I decided to recreate this one because it's the one I like the most, as in my opinion, triangle cups are much more flattering in that area. But the top can be worn both ways anyway. That said, let's start with the tutorial. First, print the pattern at 100% scale. Use the scale on the first page to make sure it printed correctly. Next, line up the pages in the order indicated on the instruction sheet without overlapping them. And tape them together. Now cut out your size. Place the pattern on the fabric and cut it 4 times. So first, we start with the strap that goes under the cups. Fold it in half and secure it with pins. And sew an elastic band on top using a zigzag stitch. Turn it completely inside out so the seam stays inside. Now we continue with the cups. Place one piece on top of the other and pin it in place up to the end of the bow. And overlock the sides. This is how the seam should look when finished. Now turn the cup inside out. Make sure the tip of the bow is nice and sharp. You can use a pencil or something similar to shape it. The next step is to overlock the bottom of the top. Don't forget to backstitch the sides of this overlock seam to prevent the threads from coming loose. Once this is done, fold the bottom 1.5 cm upwards. And sew this part with a straight stitch. These channels will be used to insert the straps we made earlier. If everything is right, pass the strap through the channels using a safety pin. I folded the ends of the strap inward and sewed them by hand, but you can use any method as long as you get a clean finish. And that's it. As you can see, it's very easy to make and won't take long to finish. I finished it in about 2 hours, but depending on your skill level, it may take more or less time, but probably not more than 4 hours. The best part about this top is that it looks very elaborate because of the crisscross tie on the back, but in reality you just need to join the two cup pieces, sew them, and not much else. So if you're looking for a beginner-friendly project that's quick and easy to make without spending too much money, I'd say this is the perfect project for you. I really love how it turned out. The top combines a simple base with details that stand out immediately, giving it a very original and interesting look. As always, don't forget to send me photos on my social media if you recreate it. I'd love to see your results. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next video.